start with our next topic, that is the damped simple harmonic motion. What is a damped simple harmonic motion? The motion in which the amplitude of the oscillating body reduces and eventually come to its mean position, which implies that there is some resistive force which opposes the motion of the pendulum or the mass spring system. This type of simple harmonic motion is known as the damped simple harmonic motion. Or I can say, if I am taking some rigid body and I am going to attach some spring to that rigid body and a mass m, and now I am going to stretch that mass m in the downward direction so that the spring starts oscillating. So the spring oscillate in, you can say, in back and forth movement. The oscillation will continue to be cyclic. That means the amplitude of the oscillation, which is a simple harmonic motion, will remain constant because the energy of our system is constant. The definition is, or you can say, a real oscillating system will over time experience a decrease in the amplitude as a result of the internal friction and the air resistance. Or in other words, we can spoke about the harmonic motion, which is essentially, you can say, an idealized type of the harmonic motion in which we neglect the air resistance and the frictional force. These forces basically cause decrease in the amplitude over the time. As you can say, if I am taking the mass and stretches and let it go, the object will come to the rest after some time because of some kinetic energy and the elastic potential energy that is transformed into the thermal energy of the spring and of the mass, as well as the thermal energy of the molecules of the surrounding objects. So basically, this is the damped forces. Or if I am going to explain this graphically, so I am taking the displacement along the y-axis and you can say the time along the x-axis. So this is basically the oscillation motion. As you can see, the motion, oscillation motion, or the amplitude with respect to some time decreases. So the amplitude decreases since the energy goes into the thermal energy. This is the damped simple harmonic motion. Now further is the damping force. What is a damping force? The damping force is the force that act on the object to impede oscillation of the object. So the damping force creates damped harmonic motion. So this is the basic, you can say, basic result. The damping force is just because of the damping force. And mathematically I can write it as the damping force, which is equals to minus bv, where b is the proportionality constant and v is the velocity. The minus sign is because this is in opposite direction of the motion of the, you can say, mass spring system. So if the oscillating velocity of the object increases, the damping force also increases. Now further, according to the Newton's second law of motion, summation f which is equals to ma,